Why does your scanner show the P0025 engine code? What does it mean? P0025 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position B timing over, retarded, bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected that the exhaust camshaft is not rotating as it should, resulting in an incorrect valve timing event. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Camshaft position actuator, wiring and connections, oil flow and pressure, variable valve timing system. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.